How to collaborate on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your story over here. Here I've already added my story. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom of the screen and then tap on add mentions. Now as you tap on add mentions, you can select any of the person over here that you'd want to collaborate with. So tap on the person and then tap on add. Now if you have requested for collaboration, now the other person has to accept that collaboration. Now since I've already sent this to my own second account, so I'm going to switch to other account over here. So as I tap on it, you'll get this in the notification form. So tap on the notification bar and here you'll be able to see it in the mentions option. So just scroll down and you'll be able to see it in the mentions over here. So tap on it. So here you can see it. So just tap on add to your story. Or just tap on it and then tap on add to your story. And then just tap it on the screen again and then tap on your story again and you'll be able to collaborate with others on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.